Guys, we're going to be taking a look at an item. I've not used this yet. I'll be using it now for the first time. This is from MACONEE, and it's a microwave sandwich grill. Found this on Amazon. I thought, that's pretty damn cool. Let me give this thing a try. As can be seen, it's a two-piece unit. I believe this to be silicone. The orange is silicone. Comes apart like that. You put your sandwich in between. You can see that it's got these tabs here so you know which way it's supposed to go together. But when you put your sandwich in there, obviously it'll be apart. And then these stretch to come up and hold the two pieces together while you use this in the microwave. Now these are easily cleaned, and you can use these the whole thing in a dishwasher. It's safe. Obviously hand washing. Do not use scouring pads or abrasive chemicals. Do not use metal utensils when removing food from your microwave grill. Metal utensils may damage the non-stick coating. The metal parts do not cut directly onto the cookware, as it will damage the non-stick coating on the metal parts. So I was looking at this. You can pull these off. You can see how that's constructed. And if for some reason you want to do a more thorough cleaning or something happened, you can pull these off, and then they just go right back together like that. Pretty simple. Now for your convenience, I'm going to show each page of the directions. Just pause the video because I'm not going to keep this on for a long time. So this is the microwave that I have, and I've had this since 1989. At the time, I remember I paid $700 for this, and it is still working to this day. Alright, so guys, I've got my sandwich made, some Wonder Bread. I've got both of the outsides buttered. I have mozzarella cheese on the outside of each, or on the underside of each one of those, and sandwiched in between the mozzarella are two pieces of cold meat ham. Alright, so that looks good. Let's put that on there like that. And there you go. Now I'm not going to preheat that. I'm just going to put this in just like you have it here. I'm not going to preheat this without anything in it. What I'll do is set this for 2 minutes, and then flip it like they state for another 2 minutes. We'll see what happens. Like I said, I've not done this before. This is all in real time. We're going to see what happens. Okay, so I will flip it. All right, so you can feel it's hot. Wow. Now the silicone helps but you can feel the heat there. I set it for another 2 minutes. Yeah, this thing is sizzling. Let me flip it up. And let me, the good thing about having the silicone with that lip like that, you can set it down on that instead of that on a surface. Now this, let me flip that over. Oh, there we go. Non-stick. There's our sandwich. Let that cool for a second and we will check it out. While that's cooling, you can see the sides that I used. Hell, nothing stuck to that. The butter. Here we've got a little bit that should clean up really nice and quick. I'm going to let that cool for a little bit. When it's ready to go, I'm going to have me an A&W root beer. Yeah, guys, that is good. Now, one thing I think I'll do is next time go a little longer, like I said, to experiment. I didn't preheat those, so I'm going to go a little bit longer just to make sure this is toasted a bit better. But other than that, this is pretty cool. Well, guys, cleanup could not have been easier. Just put them in a pan of water, a little bit of dish soap, wipe them down, dry them off. This is an interesting item. Like I said, the first time I've used it was here on camera, and so I'll just tweak my cook times to have the bread a little bit more crisp, and we're good to go.